Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeLand, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. In this tutorial, you're going to find out how easy it is to make some downloadable variables using the WooCommerce Bulk Variations editing plugin. For example, let's make one of the variations of all products in the clothing category downloadable. Suppose that you want to make the variations of each product downloadable and attach a catalog to it. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do is filter the products in the clothing category. So go ahead and click on the filter icon on the toolbar. Go to the Categories, Tags, Taxonomies tab. Select Clothing from the drop-down list of product categories. Then navigate to Type tab and select Variable Product from the combo box of product type. And then click on Get Products and select the products in the table and click on the Manage Variations option. The next thing you need to do is make a downloadable variation. You can use three methods to make downloadable variations, which are editing one variation in the table, editing a number of selected variations, and editing all variations. So let's explain them one by one. How do we edit one variation in the table? Under the ID of your variation, click on the edit icon, and in the bulk actions form, you need to select Yes from the combo box of the downloadable field, and then open the downloadable tab, and you can see three fields: download limit, download expiry, and files. We can set both the download limit and download expiry. For example, type 10 in the text box. Open the drop-down list of the download expiry field and select Set New and type 5 in the text box. Now you must click on Add Files in front of the Files field and then click on the Choose File button and upload the catalog from your computer. And here you can set the file name as well. You can add more files too, and for that you must click on the Add File button. It is also possible to manually enter the name and the URL of the file to be attached to the downloadable product. Now, by clicking on the Do Bulk button, the variation will be converted to downloadable and the catalog will be attached. Okay, let's check it. Color is green and size is any size for V-neck t-shirt. Click on Open Product and navigate to the Variation tab and open this one right here. And there, as you can see, our file is attached to this variation. Now, how to edit more variations? If you click on the edit icon on the toolbar above the table, you can see two options available here. The first one is Select Variations. Here, you must mark some variations at first and then choose this one. And so the bulk actions form is displayed again, and only the variations you have marked in the table are editable. The next option is All Variations of Selected Products. If you want to convert all selected product variations to downloadable, there's no need to mark them in the table. You just need to click All Variations of Selected Products and repeat the same steps that we just mentioned in the bulk actions form.